Welcome to the Louisiana Mapping Project Interactive Map Tutorial. This tutorial will demonstrate some of the functions and features of the LAMP Interactive Mapping website. You may reach the interactive map by going to the LAMP website homepage at lamappingproject.com. Click on Parishes. Select your parish, and then click on the button that says Click here to view effective firm and preliminary DFIRM data. Once you have reached the interactive map for your parish, you can locate your area of interest in several ways. To zoom in, click on the plus sign in the upper left-hand corner, or if you have a wheel on your mouse, turn the wheel away from you. To zoom out, roll in the opposite direction. To pan or move the display area, click and hold, then drag the image by moving the mouse. Click, hold, and drag. You can find your way around by using the road layer, the aerial photograph layer, or both. You will usually begin with the display set to roads. To view aerial photography, click the word Aerial located in the upper left-hand corner. To view both the roads and aerial layers, click Hybrid. Notice that streets and roads are labeled, as well as place name information. The top left-hand corner of the interactive map features checkboxes which allow you to select the layers of flood insurance map information you wish to be displayed. You may display all of the layers at once or view each layer individually. The newest information is the digital firm. This map is to be considered for adoption as the new NFIP rate map. Please note that the data on this website is a depiction of the map, not the official map. The data includes both the blue and hashed gray pattern to indicate flood insurance zones, as described by the legend to the right. There is also a checkbox to display a layer that is a depiction of the current effective NFIP paper map that is at present the official map for the NFIP communities. You can display a depiction of both the current effective firm and the new preliminary digital firm on the same screen by checking both boxes. If your community was provided advisory-based flood information from FEMA, it is also available as a layer. The ALL.flv layer will be shown in red. Turning on multiple layers makes it possible to compare differences in the various data sets. This may allow you to tell if the risk information has changed for your location. Please be aware that the information on this website is not to be considered as official NFIP information. It is not sufficient for a flood zone determination. You should contact your local floodplain administrator to find how to get an official flood zone determination. You may, however, use the interactive maps to determine if your risk has changed. You may elect to spend time with your insurance agent or community official to address your risk of flooding. If you wish to print or save a map to your computer, click on Create Printable Map. This will create an Adobe Portable Document Format, or PDF, version of the mapping page. You can open this document in Adobe Acrobat Reader, a free program readily available. If you are interested in searching for a specific address, you can enter it in the field provided above the map frame. Use commas to separate the different information in the address. Provide as much information as possible, including the zip code. Click Find to locate the address. You'll see a place marker represented as a thumbtack in the location of the address. Always make sure, as with any public online mapping site, to check that your information has been properly placed. If you hover over the place marker, you'll see the address that you entered. You may also manually add a thumbtack to mark a place of interest by clicking Add a Place Marker under the heading Mouse Functions. Likewise, you can remove thumbtacks by clicking Delete Place Marker under the heading Mouse Functions. You may enter more than one address and have multiple tacks shown in the same window. If you have questions related to the interactive mapping website or questions about other mapping information, please use the Contact Us button located at the top of the screen on the LAMP navigation bar. If you choose to use this method of contact, you'll be asked to supply inquiry details on the contact information form. Please be sure to enter all of the information requested. The LAMP team will assign an appropriate person to respond to your question. You'll receive your answer at the email address you provide on the form. To track the progress of the map adoption process of the maps for your community, please be sure to visit the LAMP homepage at lamappingproject.com. Thank you for using the LAMP Interactive Map tutorial.